Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up a proxy when using the Dolphin Anty Browser. There are two methods to set up a proxy, and I will walk you through both. Here is the first method. Click on the Proxy tab on the left-hand side of the screen. In the window that appears, click on the plus Create Proxy button. You will see a format for setting up the proxy on the left side of the screen. If you have a free proxy, enter it in the format of proxy proxy port. For personal proxies, enter it in the format of protocol type username password IP port. The format is clearly indicated on the left-hand side of the screen, so there should be no confusion. Once you have entered the proxy information, click on the Add button at the top of the screen. The proxy is now added and needs to be linked to a profile. To link the proxy to a profile, click on the Browsers tab on the left-hand side of the screen, then click on Create Profile. In the window that appears, enter the name of the profile and select Saved Proxy in the Profile Settings section. Then select the previously specified proxy from the list. Once everything is set and selected, click Create. That's it! The proxies are now set up and linked to the profile, so you can start using them. The second method involves setting up a proxy when creating a profile. To do this, select the Browsers tab on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Create Profile. In the window that appears, enter a name for the profile and select New Proxy from the Profile Settings section. You will see a window for setting up the proxy. Choose a protocol type and enter the proxy information in the proxy section below. If you have a free proxy, enter it in a format of proxy proxy port. For personal proxies, enter it in the following format instead: username, password, proxy proxy port. Once you have entered the proxy information, click Create. That's it! The proxies are now set up, and when you start the profile, you will be able to work using the set proxies. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you on the next video.